Pedal pads are probably not high on the list of things you think of when it comes to vehicle maintenance. But while they may be taken for granted, these pads do wear over time and can potentially cause a safety issue. Worn, cracked, or missing pads can lead to foot slippage and reduced control. Pedal pads provide grip and surface traction for the driver's foot. They also absorb pressure and reduce wear on the metal pedal arm. Most are made from durable rubber or thermoplastic materials that can withstand pressure and wear. By maintaining solid foot contact and comfort, they enhance both safety and control behind the wheel. Despite their relative durability, there may come signs that it's time to replace the pads. These include worn down texture or visible cracks, a loose fit, or the pad is sliding off the pedal. Your customer may mention foot slippage or squeaking sounds while braking. It's not a bad idea to ask your customer about pedal pad condition during brake or clutch part sales. Know which pedal pads fit popular makes and models, as many are application specific. Since pedal pads are low cost and easy to install, they're an easy add-on that boosts safety. So encourage your customers to inspect their pedal pads regularly. A simple replacement today can improve control and help prevent costly or dangerous slips tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.